Welcome to Tellabs ONT equipment, the 12th video in the Tellabs Optical LAN System Architecture and Application Series. In this video, we'll discuss the ONT equipment currently offered by Tellabs. The topics covered in this video will be an overview of the functionality of the optical network terminal in the optical LAN system, a description of the interfaces on the ONT, an explanation of the configurable attributes of the ONT, and a list of the different models of Tellabs optical LAN ONTs. Optical network terminals serve as the termination point for fiber optic connections at the end user location, delivering a range of services including data, voice over IP, and video. These devices come in various form factors such as desktop, in-wall, and rack-mounted models, and offer a variety of user network interface port configurations from 2-port to 48-port options. All ONT models are available with Power over Ethernet capabilities, and newer models support advanced 10 gig connectivity, enhancing performance for high-speed applications. All ONTs require power and a PON interface. Power can either be local using a power adapter or remote using a power distribution unit. The PON interface can either be GPON or XGS-PON, but is always an SC-APC fiber connector. ONTs only have end-user Ethernet ports and do not have a console interface. Uniports are all RJ45 and, depending on the ONT, can support 1 gig, 2.5 gig, and 10 gig Ethernet. Each ONT can be configured with unique attributes. A user label is used to identify the ONT and can be searched in the Panorama EMS. ONTs have an admin state to temporarily disable ONTs for maintenance and security purposes. A PoE alarm can be established to monitor available PoE power on the ONT unit. Each ONT has a unique serial number that is registered with the OLT when the ONT is configured. Serial numbers are not changeable. Serial numbers can be obtained by reading them from labeling on the ONT and its packaging. Serial numbers can also be obtained through the EMS when an ONT is discovered by the OLT. Tellabs ONTs can be put into two categories, GPON and XGS-PON. The ONT transceiver is integrated and is not interchangeable. GPON ONTs are typically used in applications where economy and broad distribution are important. XGS-PON ONTs are used in high-density areas and places where bandwidth is critical. For Tellabs, GPON ONTs are part of the 100 series models, and XGS-PON ONTs are 200 series models. The ONT 142R incorporates 4 gigabit Ethernet service ports, 2 analog voice ports, and 1 RF video port. Each Ethernet port supports PoE and PoE Plus and a maximum of 60 watts on the ONT. The Tellabs 142 ONT provides simple, smart, and scalable gigabit speed services in all enterprise LAN installations, including multi-dwelling units, student housing, senior assisted living, luxury apartments, condos, houses, hotels, and resorts. The Tellabs 140W ONT offers 4-port gigabit Ethernet connectivity for the enterprise LAN. Each port supports PoE and PoE Plus with a 60-watt maximum on the ONT. The ONT can be integrated inside office furniture or mounted securely inside a wall. Its paintable and changeable faceplate sets a high standard for matching a wide range of interior office decors. The 4-port ONT 140C also supports PoE and PoE Plus. It is most often used in modern office and extended campus environments and can be integrated inside office furniture, secured to a wall, mounted underneath a desk, or just freestand on the desktop. A plenum bracket is also available to install the ONT in plenum areas. The ONT 140CL is an economical version of the 140C that has all the same features and look and feel. However, it has no audible device and is not plenum rated. The 8-port Tellabs 180C ONT provides high-density gigabit Ethernet connectivity that is a scalable and smart choice for the new enterprise LAN. Each port supports 4-pair PoE and a total of 140 watts of PoE on the ONT. This ONT supports the modern office and extended campus environments, can be integrated inside office furniture, secured to a wall, mounted underneath a desk, or just freestand at the desktop. Similar to the ONT 180C, the ONT 180C HP supports 8 ports of 1 gig Ethernet. This ONT can supply up to 90 watts on a single port for powering downstream powered devices, with a maximum of 300 watts of PoE on the ONT. The ONT 205 provides 5 Ethernet service ports, 4 1 gig and 1 10 gig multi-rate port. The maximum PoE power is 140 watts. Up to 30 watts of PoE is available per port on all ports, and Cisco UPoE 60 watts is supported on 3 high-powered ports. The 60-watt PoE is enabled on ports 1, 2, and 5. This versatile ONT can be mounted on walls, floor, ceiling, in plenum space, hidden inside office furniture, on top or underneath desktops. The ONT 202 offers 2 Ethernet ports, one 2.5 gig multi-rate port and one 10 gig multi-rate port. The ONT 202 provides up to 120 watts of PoE power. It is plenum rated with a metal enclosure and features an integrated fiber management system. Industrial temperature tolerance and high PoE capacity make the 202 well suited to support outdoor Wi-Fi and IP surveillance cameras. The Tellabs ONT 203W is part of the Tellabs 200 series ONTs for XGS-PON. The ONT 203W is best suited for optical LAN enterprise networks and residential applications. It provides 1 2.5 gig and 2 1 gig Ethernet ports. All ports supporting PoE, PoE+, and Cisco UPoE up to 60 watts. It is designed to be installed in walls in the same way that the ONT 140 is. In fact, the ONT 203W uses the same power module as the ONT 140W and can be used as an economical upgrade from GPON to XGS-PON. The rack-mountable Tellabs ONT 248 offers the delivery of 48 Ethernet ports on an XGS-PON interface. It offers economical one-to-one closet-based switch replacement that reuses the last 100 meters of CADX cables in the horizontal walls and drops while bringing all the security and management capabilities upon. PoE is available on all ports up to 60 watts. The ONT 248 has 2 onboard rectifiers and 2 power inputs for expanded reliability. The ONT 224 offers the delivery of 24 ports of Ethernet connectivity over XGS-PON transmission. Like the ONT 248, it offers economical one-to-one closet-based switch replacement that reuses the last 100 meters of CADX cables in the horizontal walls and drops. Power options and PoE capabilities are the same as the ONT 248. This concludes this video. In it, we have discussed an overview of the functionality of the optical network terminal in the optical LAN system, a description of the interfaces on the ONT, an explanation of the configurable attributes of the ONT, and a list of the different models of Tellabs optical LAN ONTs.